The floating egg.
Today we are going to do a science experiment, the magic egg. Firstly, we have to fill 2 glasses with water. Add a spoonful of salt to one of the glasses and mix it well. Now add an egg in each glass. You could see the egg in the salt water is floating, whereas the egg in the plain water sank down. The egg is floating because the density of the salt water is more than the egg's density. Here, the egg is not floating because the density of the egg is more than the density of the plain water.